anyhousecleaning.com. We're cleaning a new home. Come on, let me show you. This is a beautiful house in Providence Golf Club. And this is a smart Samsung refrigerator. Let's see, come on. This refrigerator is so smart that it has a memo already. Can we hear that?
If you need your house clean, if you bought a new property, just call us, anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118. We are the best. Oh, the best. Okay? Right here in Champions Gate, Providence Golf Club, Orlando, all Central Florida. New house, post-remodeling cleaning, new construction cleaning, weekly and bi-weekly maid service. Check it out. Our Facebook page or YouTube, anyhousecleaning.com. Bye.
Check it out this. Save. I'm gonna save that for the new client. Let me write something. I love to play. ¿Se grabó? Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Carlos.